In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Google Forms confirmation message. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to change, so respondents see a clear, friendly message right after they submit your form. First, open your web browser and head to Forms. Google.com. From there, open the form you want to update. Make sure you are in edit mode for that specific form so you can access all the settings we're about to use. If you manage multiple forms, double-check you've opened the correct one, especially if your forms have similar titles. At the top of the form editor, you'll see a series of tabs. Click on the Settings tab located near the top center of the page. This is where Google Forms groups options related to how your form behaves and what respondents experience after submitting. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Presentation. Click the small down arrow next to Presentation to expand it. This area controls what people see during and after the form submission process, including progress indications and, most importantly for today, the confirmation message. Within the expanded Presentation section, find Confirmation Message. You'll notice T here is a default line that says, "Your response has been recorded." Click the Edit button next to that text to open the editor. This is where you'll customize what respondents read the moment their answers are sent. Type your custom message, keeping it clear and helpful. A good confirmation note might thank the respondent, set expectations for what happens next, or provide a brief timeline. You can include a short URL to direct people to relevant resources, but keep it concise and professional. Avoid adding any sensitive personal details and keep the tone consistent with your form's purpose. Aim for 1 to 3 short sentences so the message is easy to scan on any device. When you are happy with your wording, click Save. That's it, the change is now applied to your form. From this point on, anyone who submits the form will see your updated message instead of the generic default. If you ever need to refine the wording later, just return to the same presentation section. Open the confirmation message editor again and adjust the text. You've now customized your Google Forms confirmation message quickly and confidently. Clear post-submission communication helps set expectations and enhances the respondent experience. Thanks for watching.